Honey, it's time to start your day and record a trick for all the bartenders of the world. If you don't do it, who will? How are they going to vanish limes?
There's a whole branch of magic called found magic, and the premise is that you're taking things from other people and doing magic with their stuff. This tends to hit a little harder because they know their stuff isn't gimmicked. I once had a friend who was a bartender, and I wound up teaching him some tricks he could do with just stuff that he had lying around. And this progressed into me coming up with more stuff for him to use with like limes, napkins, rubber bands, just whatever he had there at his bar. And it occurs to me I could do a whole series of found magic just on stuff you find at restaurants, stuff you find at a bar. So you guys can start doing some of your own found magic out there. So today we're going to put down the cards, we're going to pick up a napkin. This trick uses a napkin torn into two and then rolled into balls, like so. This may look like two napkins, it was one, I just split it before I turned the camera on. So you got two balls here, and the trick looks like this. Every time I finish a magic trick, everybody always asks me, how did you do that, how is that done? I always say it's easy. If you can count to 10, you can do magic. Nobody believes me, so I prove it to them. I say, watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How to do that? We're going to start with our left hand. We're just going to go palm down over the left one. 2, our right hand goes down. 3, our left hand turns up. 4, our right hand turns up. 5, reaches down with the left hand and picks up the ball. 6, here's where the only real move comes in. You're going to clip the ball like this between the fingers. You're going to put it here and close the hand around it. But you're not going to put it there. Now, when you do this, you're not going to take this hand and close it completely tight. Like that's going to look like something's, that's going to look like it's not holding anything. When you do this move, you want to leave some air in there, like would be if you're holding something. Now, once you're here, do not pull this hand over here and just sit there, all right? So 6, see how my hand immediately just dives for that other ball. There's no waiting. Just immediately, once this hand is out, you're going after that one, all right? So 6, 7, now you've got both of them here. 8, this settles. 9, and then 10. So it's speed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You slow down at the end just for effect. There you go. There's a fun trick you can do with a napkin, whether you're a bartender or whether you're just whether you're just out to dinner with some friends or whatnot. And there you go. So there it is. I hope you guys get some use out of that. If you're a bartender, I hope you can make some use of it in your job. If you're just at a restaurant with some friends and you have a chance to do that trick with a napkin, I hope you wow everybody. Thank you as always to my patrons. You guys make this whole thing possible. Before the end of the month, I plan to have a better camera and a better microphone so we get some of this buzzing sound out of the way when I film on my camera. Thank you for swinging by another video and helping me grow my channel slowly but surely. One day. I hope you guys have a great day. Take care.